Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of palm oil production. If you're looking to start or upgrade your palm oil business, choosing the right palm oil machines is crucial. Option 1. Standalone palm oil press machine. Many of our clients in Africa start with a single screw or double screw palm oil press machine. On the one hand, it can improve the efficiency of oil pressing, and on the other hand, it can also increase the oil yield. Option 2. Semi-automatic palm oil production line. Combine 3 to 4 palm oil processing machines, a small palm fruit threshing machine, a single screw or double screw palm oil press machine, a plate filter and a vibrating screen. It can not only improve the efficiency of threshing and oil extraction, but also improve the quality of crude palm oil. Option 3. Skid-mounted palm oil production line, also known as the installation-free palm oil production line. Designed for hassle-free setup. 3 pre-assembled frames fit into 3 shipping containers. Just position them, connect pipes and power, and you're ready to palm oil production. Option 4. 1 to 2 ton per hour palm oil production line. Uses steam to speed up sterilization. Although loading and unloading of palm fruits still requires manual help, this semi-automatic to fully automatic hybrid machine is a reliable choice. Option 5. 5 ton per hour fully automated palm oil production line. Features an automated vertical steam sterilizer, continuous feeding and scraper conveyors. It can operate around the clock with minimal labor. Option 6. More than 10 ton per hour large-scale palm oil production line. Every step is optimized from sterilization to oil clarification. Even recycles residual oil from waste, maximizing yield and profits. Next issue. The above are 6 types of palm oil processing machine and production line options. Which one fits your goals? Let me know in the comments, and stay tuned for deep dives into each type in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.